And no, the slow travel journey continues on the Thinking Man's channel. Alright guys, we're going to go in and out of the dark, but we can get into the light many times, so stick with me, just keep watching. I'll be back to explain a lot to you guys. Check it out. Alright fellas, so we got a lot of copyright music in this one. I'm trying to just talk over where I can while I try to maximize and give you guys what you should actually see, right? Without giving you what you should hear. Listen to me. It's dark right now, but don't worry about that. It will go into lights again. I heard people think that a lot of cities don't have a nightlife. And it's not that they don't have a nightlife. Let me tell you guys what's really going on. What's really going on is this. When you're born and growing up in the West, you're used to partying in this way. I'm in my house, I play my own music. I'm by myself or only with a friend or two. Now, if I want a quote-unquote club, I gotta leave, go to a big building where they got alcohol, an empty space. Everybody pays to go into there. We all buy drinks, maybe some food, and we all dance, link up, talk, whatever, if we're lucky, right? The thing about it though is that most of the rest of the world, man, they don't really party that way. And I'm gonna give you an example, because if you guys been following my channel, some of you are aware that I'm from the Caribbean, right? So, and by the way, if you guys really truly follow my channel, you'll see that I was in Brazil recently. Now, what I'm about to describe in Brazil is called a bloco. And what I'm about to show you too. So some of the times here, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let you guys get the vibe. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to explain a little bit more. So you got to stick throughout the video to get my point. Yeah, but coming back to my main point, right now what you guys can't hear, and I'm trying to block over because it's popular music is blasting like crazy right now. When I said music is blasting, I've done walk like a block, if you want to put it that way. And right now, music is still following me from one person's house, right? So what the camera ain't picking up is also there's people to the left, people to the right, inside their little porch and everything with some drinks in their hand, and everybody is having fun, right? Now there's cars passing, they're blasting music. There's colmados, they got music. People are sitting on their bikes, people are sitting in their cars, people are sitting in their house having fun. People are standing at the colmados, the little shops with drinks in their hand, having fun. Here and there, there's some ladies dancing if the music changed and they hear something that they like. No, clearly I'm not saying there's not bars, restaurants, clubs, right? But typically, the most times when you see that kind of environment that we're used to seeing, like this one right here in the United States, is because it's set up, because, you know, social media times have changed, everybody want to be Americanized, but the way people will use these kind of establishments, this one right here is on the Malecon, which is the beach area, if you want to call it. The ocean's actually right behind these trees. This is night, so you can't see it. The people out here, they'll have just a few drinks. Let's say they'll have 2 or 3. Some people come out to these spots, they'll order a bottle, you know, but they'll do this every once in a while, or maybe a special occasion, or when they're bringing out 3 people, 4 people, 6 people, 10 people even. And even sometimes people will just bring 1 or 2 of their friends. They'll put a chair outside here, outside the club that I'm at right now. They'll put a chair, or they'll stand, they'll order a drink from inside, or they'll bring a cooler, they'll bring their drinks with them because they're keeping their costs down, right? What they want to see is the cars passing right now. That you guys can't really notice where people are blasting the music. They might know somebody that's passing, just having a good time. But their version of that good time is on the block. Now, some of you guys from the South might know this is like parking lot pimping. A lot of people who are into sports, you might know it as tailgating. Except for the tailgating, you're doing it because of the game, right? Where you might bring your own barbecue kit, you might got your truck with a flatbed, you know, you got your little music playing, you got your lawn chairs, you're hanging out there and you're enjoying, right? Well, just that same way, let's say in Brazil, people will do the blocos, right? Basically, they're like, I'm on the block. Somebody pull up and do some music, or somebody's playing some music, or 2-3 people playing some music. People use the establishments to buy their drinks in Brazil, called the bloco, and they have a good time. They party right there and then. Well, that's kind of how most of the Caribbean is, including right here in the Dominican Republic. I'll tell you guys a story a little later as I'm walking along this same Malecon, the beach area, and I got to cover some copyright music. I'll tell you guys a little bit about how we party in the country where I'm from that helps me see and basically blend into this environment, right? Now, yeah, this is what I'm basically saying, fellas. When you're used to saying, oh man, I went to a place and I was looking for the club, you might only see 1 or 2, and then you say, oh, there's no party life, there's no nightlife. That is not true. What you haven't learned is the culture yet and how to really adjust for the way that people party, right? You're looking for that established square building with big lights in the front to pay the enter or to go in free, and you're thinking, all right, all the ladies going to show up there. What you're not used to doing is jumping in your car with your buddy, roll into one-way destination that's not in a location. It might have been somebody's house. It might have been a local store at the corner of a street. And everybody now line up all their chairs outside, right? Or the whole neighborhood know but 1 or 2 of these places within the neighborhood, and they ain't even got to leave the neighborhood. They go and they party there. Their version of the club is right outside, or down the road, or in their cousin's neighborhood, or to go near the beaches, or to go where the whole beach is lined by the seawalls, the Malecon in Spanish, right? And then they just party hard right there. And yes, there's the established clubs, and they'll be like, all right, let's go to that one for a few hours. But they already know that they could party easier and harder in their neighborhood. All right, so listen, it's ironic. As I'm walking right now, there's one guy playing a real popular song. He's playing it out of a car that I'm going to pass way later on. But the whole entire way I'm walking, I haven't come upon him yet, but I can hear the music playing, right? Now, everybody is listening to that one guy. Everybody as I'm passing here, literally, is listening to that one guy play this song, blasting out of his car, right? And I guess he won't know because his song is the most popular one that everybody want to listen to. It ain't to say that everybody ain't got a little speaker or they ain't competing cars that are playing music. It's just that one is blasting louder than everybody else. I'm going to stop talking when I get to the end of it. But listen, here's the truth. The truth is this. This is the way that most other people in other countries party. When I was growing up in Guyana, which is in South America, right? Speak English, but it's in South America. We would pull up to the seawalls or we would go to the beaches, and that's how we would also do it. So you just got to know how to move. All right, the music stops here a little bit, but somebody else is playing music. Check it out. Oh, you see what I mean? All right, so now the other type of vibe that goes down is this kind of vibe right here. Believe it or not, this right here, fellas, is in a gas station. Yeah, if I walk out these doors right now, right, there's literally a bunch of pumps, cars pulling up, scooters pulling up, motorbikes pulling up, and they're filling their tank. But as I walk into the gas station, we're in America, this would be the area where everybody get their Slurpee, couple of hot dogs or whatever. Nah, people come in here. This is not even a busy day that I'm recording this. This is like a Wednesday night. All right. Now, if you come into this place, and it don't matter which gas station, which city, anywhere around Dominican Republic, whether it's Santo Domingo, Puerto Plata, whatever, there's these spots. The people might come midnight, 11 o'clock. Depends on, how busy the place is, how much people they see. They will buy drinks in here. There's even car washes that are like this. Now, I did see this. People who watch my channel, I was recently in Kenya. And Kenyans kind of do it like this, too. They got their clubs like America, everybody popping bottles. Then they got their open air clubs, which is a little bit more spacious. Everybody go watch the football games. But then they also got like car washes, which you see a lot in Dominican Republic, where one place is a little restaurant slash bar outside, but that's where you also put in your car to wash your car. So during the day, that's the car wash, man. But that's where people go to party, the car wash or also the gas station. So it's about learning the culture and knowing where you have to go, right? So you can know, okay, here's where people go within that particular town or city to party. Now, when you come in and you go to that little tourist zone, what is happening there is specifically bars and restaurants and clubs will set themselves up the European kind of way. You know, like you got a club in a casino, and if you go to Sosua, they're setting it up on purpose that way because that's the way you guys know the party. So then you go outside of that bubble and you're like, oh my God, I didn't see a club. That place don't really got a nightlife. Now, I did this because a YouTuber said that. Listen, man, if you gotten this far in the video, for sure, tell me what type of partying you prefer. Do you prefer the Americanized clubbing, or do you accept the cultural stuff when you go to a country and you're like, yeah, I get it, and I get it, I understand this is how they party, and I'm down with that. It's like chilling on your block in the hood somewhere with a chair, and everybody comes out to the block party. In Brooklyn, man, we used to do those, right? We even used to have house parties in Brooklyn. Anyway, fellas, listen, check the ebooks down below, support the channel, hit the Cash App. Check you guys on the next one.